Facebook friends. I'm going to be making an immune booster juice right now, and the recipe is 2 cups of raw spinach, 2 oranges, 2 stalks of celery, and an inch of 1 finger of good old ginger. Ginger root, that is. So this is the easiest recipe to get your immune system up, and I'm using my Omega juicer, and it's super simple. You just jam everything into the little hole, and you push with this wonderful stick all the way down, and as you can see, some of these juices start flowing out of these 2 areas. Now, the nice thing about this juicer is it presses everything. It doesn't chop things up. So here we go. This juice is really good for your system, and for these days of coronavirus, this is what we all need, a little shot in the arm of an immune booster. So, like I said, we've got celery, we've got spinach that I bought already pre-washed from the grocery store. We have these wonderful navel oranges that I'm using, and I have a little bit of ginger that I've cut up, and you just throw it into the juicer. It should be called a presser, not really a juicer, because a lot of juicers chop up your vegetables. Well, this one, you can control the amount of pulp, and you can control the amount of juice. Now, when I make carrot juice, I will take some of that pulp and make carrot bread or carrot cake. And this is what the actual pulp looks like right there. And then this side is where the juice comes out of. So like I said, for 1 serving, you want 2 cups of celery, 2 stalks of celery, 2 cups of spinach, 2 oranges, and 1 inch of ginger. And you can buy ginger at Kroger's, which is Ralph's. Here in Washington, we call it Freddie Myers. I call it Freddie Mercury's because it's fun to say, and I love Freddie Mercury. Or you can go to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has all of these ingredients, and if you want to make the mean green juice, which is a little bit different, another immune booster, they have those ingredients. I'm just going to keep on juicing. You guys have an awesome day, and pray for a vaccine. I love you all.